Alright guys, welcome to another episode. Sort of jinxed myself. I just made a video about last week about how reliable this car's been. You know, don't spend $30,000 on a used car. You can spend half as much. I'm sorry I threw out my back, it's killing me, but I'm 3 hours from home on vacation. Oh man, I tell you, you throw your lower back. Oh my goodness. Let me show you what it's doing. So I'm 3 hours from home. I have no tools with me, including a scan tool. I have nothing with me. So the check engine light is on. Let me lower this here for you guys. Okay, so check engine light is on. The plan, there's a local Walmart, so I'll just buy one of these like $20 scan tools. I'll keep it in the glove box just so we have it. See what it is. I thought maybe there was some hesitation on the highway here for maybe like 2 minutes, so I hope it's not a misfire, because if it's a misfire and raw fuel is being poured into the catalytic converter, that could damage it. So I hope it's something that's, you know, like an air fuel sensor, something not too crazy. So let's see what's going on with this, and I hope we can make it back. Okay. By the way, this thing is so small, I must have walked by it. You know, Walmart is such a big store. I must have walked by this thing so many times. But I found it. Okay, let's get this hooked up. I'm really curious to see what the heck is going on here. Am I backwards? Oh, I am backwards. Alright. Turn the key. Let's see what's what. Looks like it's reading 455, P0455. That is certainly an EVAP code. It's all P0455. Let's look that up. P0455 indicates a large leak in the EVAP system. Tighten the gas cap. You know, that does make sense. Let's see what's what. Oh, you have to be kidding me. That's all it was. Okay. Oh, that's a relief. Okay. Now, let's see if we can delete this. Let's see, maybe the red button. Erase. Sure. Done. That's it, it's gone. So here we are a few weeks later. The car's still happy. The check engine light has not come back on, so it's happy once again. And at the very least, I have a very inexpensive scan tool to keep in the glove box. So that's all it was. Silly of me. It never occurred to me, hey, check the fuel cap, but that's okay. Everything worked out for the best, and thanks for watching.